Hey beautiful people, welcome again to Terry's Kitchen. So on today's recipe I want to show you on how to make beef stew without tomatoes or spices. Kindly watch this video to the end so that you won't miss any step. So for this recipe we'll start by heating 1 tablespoon of cooking oil. When the oil is well heated, you're going to fry in some onions. I've used one large red onion, but you can use onion of your choice. You're going to saute that for a while or until the onion is translucent. After that, you're going to add in some beef. I've used a 1/4 kg of boiled beef. Then you're going to add some ginger, but you can also add some garlic if you have. Then you're going to give it a mix and cover it and let the meat brown for a while. After some few minutes, you're going to uncover your pot. Then you're going to add some carrots, potatoes, and bell pepper. At this point, you can also add some green peas if you have, but I didn't have green peas at the moment, so I didn't add them. Then you're going to add some beef broth, about 1 cup of beef broth. Give it a good mix. Then you're going to cover the pot and let the stew cook on the medium heat until the potatoes are well cooked. You'll then uncover the pot to check if the potatoes are well cooked. Then I'm going to add some salt to taste. I'm going to give that a mix and see if the potatoes are cooked. As you can see from the video, the potatoes are well cooked and they look smooth. After that, you're going to add some coriander leaves for garnishing and let it simmer for about 2 minutes before you remove it. And just like that, you'll have your beef stew ready. As you can see from this video, our beef stew looks so delicious and the meat is so tender. Kindly do try this recipe and let me know in the comment section after trying. Don't forget to give me a like, comment and share with others so that they can learn to make their beef stew without tomatoes or spices. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, kindly do so. Until next time, bye bye.